Have you ever felt like winter transforms your skin into a desert? Dry patches, dull complexion, and even that irritating tightness. Sound familiar? But what if I told you that there is a way to keep your skin glowing, soft, and hydrated even in the harshest winter winds? Yes, it's possible. And today, we're diving into the ultimate winter skincare routine that will leave your skin feeling like silk and looking radiant all season long. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a foolproof plan to beat winter dryness for good. Welcome to Nature News Plus, where we share everything you need to live a healthier, more vibrant life. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier winter skin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. First, let's talk about why winter is so harsh on your skin. During colder months, humidity levels drop, and so does your skin's natural moisture. Add in indoor heating, which saps even more moisture from the air, and your skin is left battling dryness, flakiness, and even itchiness. But don't worry, once you understand the problem, you can fix it. Let's start with hydration, the foundation of glowing skin. While drinking water is essential in winter, you might need more than just water. Add hydrating foods to your diet like oranges, cucumbers, and even bone broth. Herbal teas like chamomile or green tea are also great for maintaining moisture and reducing inflammation. Remember, hydrated skin starts from within. The cleanser you use in winter can make or break your skincare routine. Ditch harsh foamy cleansers that strip your skin of its natural oils. Instead, opt for a gentle hydrating cleanser with ingredients like ceramides or glycerin. Cleansing is essential, but overdoing it can lead to even drier skin, so limit it to twice a day. Exfoliating is crucial for removing dead skin cells that can make your skin look dull, but winter calls for a gentler approach. Use a mild exfoliator once or twice a week to reveal fresh, glowing skin without irritating it. Look for chemical exfoliants like lactic acid, which are gentle yet effective. Timing is everything when it comes to moisturizing. Apply your moisturizer right after cleansing. While your skin is still slightly damp, this helps lock in the moisture. Look for creams or lotions containing hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or shea butter for intense hydration. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to combat winter dryness is to use a humidifier. It adds moisture back into the air, which helps prevent your skin from drying out. Place it in your bedroom or living room to keep the air and your skin hydrated. Don't skip sunscreen just because it's cold outside. UV rays can still harm your skin, even on cloudy winter days. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and make it a non negotiable part of your morning routine. Think of your skincare routine like dressing for winter. Layers are key. Start with the thinnest products like serums and work your way to thicker moisturizers. For added hydration, try incorporating a hydrated serum with hyaluronic acid before your moisturizer. Nighttime is when your skin does most of its healing and repair, so make the most of it. Use a richer night cream or overnight mask to deeply hydrate your skin while you sleep. If your skin is feeling extra dry, you can even layer a few drops of facial oil on top. Winter dryness doesn't stop at your face. Use a nourishing lip balm with SPF to prevent chapped lips, and apply a rich hand cream throughout the day. Keeping a small tube in your bag is a lifesaver. Don't neglect the rest of your skin. Swap out drying bar soaps for creamy body washes and apply a body lotion or oil right after your shower. Tip: shower with lukewarm water, not hot, to prevent stripping your skin's natural oils. The key to glowing soft skin all winter long is consistency. Stick to your routine but also pay attention to what your skin needs. If it feels tight or flaky, adjust by adding richer products or cutting back on exfoliation. And there you have it, the ultimate winter skincare routine for glowing soft and hydrated skin. Remember, winter doesn't have to mean dull dry skin. With these tips, you'll be ready to embrace the season while looking and feeling your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips like these. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.